Wait before you just go to the main part. Let me introduce myself. Hi, hello guys, this is Medbits, your exam savior, and today we'll be discussing about Neurons introduction, which is a part 2. So please go and watch the part 1 if you haven't watched it yet. So it will be much helpful to have a better idea. So the link will be in the description below. So yeah, let's begin. So before starting, make sure that you have a notebook with you so that you can write down the lecture notes, or you can write the same notes as you see in this video. So let's begin. Yeah. So neuron. Neurons are the fundamental units of the brain and nervous system. The cells responsible for receiving sensory input from the external world, for sending motor commands to our muscles, and for transforming and relaying the electrical signals at every step in between. In short, a neuron is a cell in the body that is specialized to carry messages. Yeah, that's what I have to say. Now, there are about 100 billion neurons in the human brain. These neurons have many shapes and come in many sizes. Their job is to allow you to think and behave. The process by which a neuron carries messages from one part of the brain to another is called electrochemical process. The electro part happens in the neuron itself, and the chemical part, which happens at junction between the neurons, called the synapse. Structure of neuron. A easy example is to think of a neuron as a tree. A neuron has three major parts, right? Which is dendrites, axon, cell body, or we can call it as soma, which can be represented as the branches, roots, and trunk of a tree, respectively. Now let's discuss about the structure of neuron. Starting with dendrite is where a neuron receives input from other cells. Dendrites branch as they move towards their tips, just like tree branches do, and they even have leaf-like structures on them called spines. Coming to the next one is the axon, is the output structure of neuron. When a neuron wants to talk to another neuron, it sends an electrical message called an action potential throughout the entire axon. Okay. Next one is the soma, is where the nucleus lies, where the neuron's DNA is housed, and where proteins are made to be transported throughout the axon and dendrites. Now let's discuss about myelination. It's a protective insulator covering of the axon formed by Schwann cells. Double layer membrane of a single Schwann cell wrap itself several times around the axon. Now as you can see inside the bracket here, 1 millimeter in length, right? 8 to 10 micrometer in thickness. Layers stick to each other due to protein P0. Schwann cell nucleus lies in the outermost layer. The myelin sheath serves as a protective and an insulating coating for the axon and enhances the speed of conduction of electrical impulses along with it. Now the next topic is nodes of Ranvier. It is also known as myelin sheath gaps. Internodal distance is 1 to 2 millimeter and each node is 0.5 to 1 micrometer. It increases speed of conduction and reduces energy expenditure by the cell. The nodes of Ranvier allows for ions to diffuse in and out of the neuron, propagating the electrical signal down the axon. Congratulations guys, now you have completed part 2. Now you know what is neurons, right? Now you know the parts of it, now you know what's a neuron, right? So yeah, I'm very sure that you're going to do really excellent in exams, so don't worry about it. Pray to God, do your work. As hard as you work, as luckier you get. So yeah, so until then, we'll see you on the next video, and which will be the next part. So yeah, see you guys, bye, peace out.